Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I came up with today, and it's literally what I came up with today because I didn't have anything in mind before I sat to film this look. I just wore a green top and some green earrings, and then I went on applying some green eyeshadow and of course these fluttery lashes which I'm really not able to manage. But it's just fun. I just wanted to make something, dramatic or something like that. That mood was there today to do something dramatic. So this is what dramatic I came up with. And I also wanted to tell you all that I'm coming up with a giveaway very, very soon. I'm actually trying to get a few more things that I would love to have in my collection, and I would love to give it to you all too. So I'm just kind of collecting all those things, so just give me some time for that. And apart from that, I have changed my channel name to Simran Singh, which was earlier Makeup by Damsel Shine. I don't want to be sarcastic, but when I used to get calls for bridal makeup inquiries or photo shoots, people used to pronounce it very, very wrongly. It was like something I just can't say. Makeup by, and I was like, okay, I could relate. Only this call is for makeup, only when they said makeup by. I was like, yeah, hold on, that's me. Yeah, Simran here. So this is the thing. So I finally changed it to Simran Singh. I hope that's easy for everybody to pronounce, and that's it. So with that, let's move on to this video. See you. Well, hello again. So I'm going to first start up with my foundation today, and the very first thing I like to do is apply a lip balm. And today I'm applying my KiKo Flower Essence lipstick. Then I'm going to be applying my Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturiser, which is one of the most amazing moisturizers I've ever come across. It really blurs out those fine lines, and it also has SPF in it. Next, I'm going to be using my Benefit Pore Fessional Primer only on my T-zone. Now I'm going to correct my problem areas using my LA Pro Girl Concealer in Orange. And now I'm going to be using my Faces Ultime Pro Metallic Glow in Champagne, and I'm using this silicone blender very much lately. It's like one of the best things. It's like easy to clean, it doesn't use as much of a product, and there's like very minimum wastage when you use this. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of that on my silicone blender, and will be applying this all over my face. And literally you can see it really deposits the product on your face, like it really makes it sit there. When I used to use the beauty blender, so much of the product gets wasted, and sometimes it really doesn't get that well deposited. Now I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation Baklava, and again using my silicone blender to kind of apply it randomly all over my face and my neck area, and then I'm gonna blend it all out using the same. Now I'm going to be using my LA Girl Velvet Bronzer Contour Stick in Suede, and will be applying this onto the hollows of my cheekbone, my hairline area, sides of my nose, some on my jawline area, and also under my lower lip, and then we'll blend it all out. I'm really in love with a flawless looking face these days, and for that I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW35, and then using a brush I'm going to apply this under my eye area, center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, around my mouth, and under the hollows of my cheekbones. It's not like a very bright highlighting or anything. It's a very subtle highlighting, and which is what I'm loving it. So I'm kind of doing this more these days. Now I'm going to be using my Benefit WhatsApp highlighter and applying it onto the highest points of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose and my chin, and using that same brush I'm gonna blend it all out. Now I'm gonna be using these two powders, which is MAC Studio Fix and Mineralize Skin Finish in NC35 and Medium Golden. NC35 is the exact shade of my skin tone and Medium Golden is a bit darker, so it's perfect when you don't want your contours to really stand out and you want it to like kind of show there is some contouring but not too much. So this is what again I'm following these days. So these are the all new techniques that I'm doing these. So maybe I can come up with a new foundation routine also with all these together. And now I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Goddess of Love highlighter on the highest points of my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and on my temples. Now I'm going to be using my MAC Frankly Scarlet blush. I know I use this blush like almost all my videos, but I just can't help it. It's the best. Now I'm going to do off my eyebrows, and this is what I call the power of editing. This is how my eyebrows look when they are done. And if you want to know, the routine will be down in the description box. Now I'm going to be using the KatVonD Saint and Sinner palette, and I'm going to take this first eyeshadow, which is Rosary, and with a tapered blending brush I'm going to apply this very heavily into my crease area. I'm really going to intensify my crease area with this eyeshadow, and if you notice, I'm just doing my crease area a bit above, like up till the brow bone area, and then using this Amen eyeshadow I'm gonna be applying this onto my brow bone area. It's also like correcting my eyebrows if there has been any mistake, and then just going back with a tapered blending brush and just gonna blend everything. Now I'm gonna be using this Lakmé Peacock palette green eyeshadow, and with a stiff kind of a lid brush I'm gonna apply this on my eyelid, only on my eyelid area, like literally a very soft cut crease or something like that, which is what I'm trying to do. And now just leaving a gap like this, I'm gonna take this Crucifix eyeshadow, if I pronounce it correctly, and just depositing this eyeshadow onto the outer V area, and very slightly taking this eyeshadow into the very socket of my eye. Now applying the same on my lower lash line, and then using that same brush to kind of blur it out. And now I'm going to be applying my L'Oreal Kajal Magique Bold and tight lining my upper and lower waterline. After this, I'm gonna be applying my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara onto my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna be using this Glowmeire Beauty Lashes in Duchess. Oh my god, these lashes are literally crazy, very beautiful. Now I'm gonna be applying my Kryolan face liner on all over my lips, like to cover up that area. And then I'm gonna be using a darker lip pencil, which is this 24 number pencil. It's a bit brown in shade, and applying it like contouring my lips like this. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my YSL Rouge Volupte No. 3 and gonna apply it on top of all this. And with that, we are done. So this is the final look, my girls. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a huge like, do comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.